So let's use an example to show it more clearly. We still use the same binary search demo .java file, but I added these printouts inside the while. Every time after we calculate the middle, I'm going to print out the array. Array I followed by a space so that you can see the array is sorted this way. Then I'm going to print out first, last, and middle. So you can see at the beginning, we are printing out the whole array. Then the first is 0, last is 19, and the middle is 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And actually, I think I'm missing something. Last is 19, so it should be less than equal to. I'm always missing one, but basically, it should be until 280. Let me rerun this. I think I entered 234. And now you can see that all the way until 600. And the middle is 9. It's a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? So it will become among these values. So the first becomes 0 and the last becomes 8. 8 is 9 minus 8. And then 9 minus 8, the middle is 4. So here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 199 is less than 234. So we are going to have middle first equals to 5, middle plus 1, and last is still 8. It will become this part. And as you can see, this becomes the new search, and the new middle is 6, which brings us 234 and 289. And this time, middle is 6 and gives us 7, which is 234. So now what if I want to run a 235, which does not exist? You can see the beginning is the same. At the very beginning is the same. You get a whole array. Then the ninth element is greater than 234. So we are going to discard from mid to last. Instead, first is still first, last will become mid minus 1. And then the middle is 4, which is greater than or less than 235. So we are going to discard this part and only search for this part, and so on, so on, so on, until we have 289. Until first is 8 and last is 8, mid is 8. At this point, array mid 8, array 8 does not equal to value. So we are going, and it's actually greater than the value. So we are going to have a last equals to mid minus 1. Last will become 7. And when first is 8 and last is 7, we will exit this while because this condition no longer match. So this is how the whole situation evolves. And I think if you still have doubt, go through this binary search and print out on your own and try to find out how this works. This is a binary search is a very widely used algorithm because in reality a lot of search was performed on array that's already sorted. So binary search can be very helpful. So you got to make sure you understand how this works, and this is also a very important interview question too.